Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Phi and this is Money Philosophy. Today we will continue our technical analysis on Tesla. Tesla ended the day today, August 9th, at $713.76, up over 2% compared to Friday. And let's take a look at charts and see what is there to look forward to this week and next week. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I am a growth stock investor and a trader, and I'd love to share with you my investing and trading journeys. Looking at the daily chart here, the volume is interesting. It is only at 69%, which is below average. And if you have any interest in Tesla, you know the number 69 is pretty significant for Tesla, together with number 420. So this is interesting that Tesla ended the day at 69% in volume. On the daily candle, it seems like it is a fairly bullish candle compared to the Friday candle here, which was very bearish. Tesla ended the day above 704, which is an important support and resistance for me. So that is good news. The RSI seems to be going back up, and we can also see that the 50 days SMA, which is the white line here, is trying to cross above 200 days SMA, which is this red line here. So 50 days SMA is at 649 and 200 days SMA is at 655. So if these two lines cross, that will be a golden cross, and that signal a potential bullish run to the upside. Looking at the hourly chart here, you can see that on Friday, Tesla moved down, finished below 704. But on the hourly chart, as I mentioned on Friday, it is still on the consolidation range. Today, it made it back above 704 and hover around the upper pivot line of about $712, which is not a bad sign for the bulls. For tomorrow, the range go from 726 on the upper end, 712 in the middle range, and 706 at the bottom range. So with today's price action, the range of pivots have moved up somewhat significantly, and I think that if Tesla can make it back above 726, which was the previous hourly high here, it could continue to fly further. The next target after that would be 746 and then 768. So for trading range tomorrow, Tesla might very well consolidate and move around 706 and 712 for the most part of the day. And if that's the case, that's another consolidation day, and the price action will probably change on Wednesday. But if Tesla opens the day spiking above 712, which is this pivot line here, then there's a decent chance that we will go all the way to 726, provided there's volume. Today is interesting because volume was there for the first 15-20 minutes, and then it kind of died down. Evidently, you can see that the first half an hour, this is a 30-minute chart, so the first half an hour, Tesla touched the bottom pivot and trying to get above the top pivot here. Second half an hour, it also tried very hard, but ended the candle pretty neutral here, and then start moving sideways for the rest of the day. So days like this, weekly expiration calls would not do so well. You might not lose a lot, but you probably lose something if Tesla doesn't move, and especially when you enter your call when Tesla already spiked above this red pivot line. But that's also part of managing your trades, because I do think that when you don't see a whole lot of volume in the second half hour of the day, it's probably time to take off your trade. So in the interest of transparency, I also want to share with you the trade that I did this morning. I started seeing a lot of volume, so I jumped in and took a August 20th call option for the strike price of 720. If Tesla does happen to go all the way to 746, then that option would materialize pretty well. Unfortunately, it did not go as planned. I took off the trade right around this area, which is the second half an hour candle, and I just make $180, which was slightly better than 10%. So I wouldn't call it a successful trade. However, not losing money is a decent goal. So I would just leave it at that, and tomorrow let's see what the future will bring. Right now, we are a week and a half from AI Day. There isn't a whole lot of catalysts aside from AI Day, and we kind of have to wait to see if there's any information that could be leaked out regarding the content of AI Day in order to get the market excited. Today in particular, Tesla ran up because of a price upgrade, and as with all pricing upgrade, Tesla would move up, but then it would move either sideways or sell the news and move back down. The good things now is that it didn't move back down today, but it also did not spike all the way through. Taking a more detailed look at the daily chart, you can see that RSI is reaching its max on overbought territory last week. So this is interesting, and Tesla needed to move down a little bit just to release that buying pressure. Now it's heading back up again with this candle. So let's see what tomorrow will bring. But if it does end the day around 726 or so, that is a very bullish sign, and it could potentially fly the day after. Here's the weekly chart. I know today is only Monday, and so the weekly candle only reflects Monday, but it's also interesting to see that candle in relation to the candle before. So as of Friday, the weekly candle last week showed that Tesla has a failed rocket launch. And then today it seems to have a decent bullish continuation. So if for whatever reason Tesla ends the week exactly here, it is very bullish. If Tesla get up to about 746 and retrace back down to about 730, that is a bullish continuation. So we'll see how Tesla will fare. If Tesla ends the week at 689 or below, that is not a bullish continuation candle, and that could potentially be catalyst for Tesla to move downward. Since we are a week and a half away from AI Day, I do have hope that Tesla will hold this level or slightly spiking up, waiting for some good news. If you are an investor in Tesla, know that Tesla is on this potential bullish run in the longer term, not in the immediate week or next week, but potentially longer term, because we do see that Tesla is making a W here. It's still on the way to making that W, and potentially would go back up to the 800 range. I do see that leading into AI Day, provided we have some additional information about the content of AI Day and the kind of amazing things that Tesla will be bringing to the table on AI Day, then I do see Tesla getting back to the 800, which is about $85 from here. So it's fairly ambitious, but I think it's achievable. So this is it for this video. Thank you very much for paying attention thus far. I'll try to make more videos this week just to keep you updated with my thoughts on Tesla. And until the next video, bye.